Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am doing another expectation versus reality video. I know how you love these videos. I love them too. I miss them. Today we are going to be doing very special setup. Why am I saying we? Because we have a wonderful special guest from Decor Lab. This is Julia. She will be creating something very interesting with me. Why interesting? Because we are doing expectation versus reality, as I said, and on her channel, we will be creating an actual balloon garland that will show you what it takes for a balloon artist to create something like this with good quality balloons, with actually spending time on that setup and money. In today's expectation versus reality, we will be going into Christmas decoration, into holiday setup. I will be using with Julia 2 inflators, Legenda, and usual, your typical
pink inflator.
Pink inflator, exactly. So we got this kit from Amazon. I will leave a link of this kit. It's up to you if you want to buy it and use it. You decide, and we will be explaining throughout the video what are we doing, what we think, and what's going on. Let's open this kit up and see what we have inside. This kit includes 144 pieces, which are balloons in red and white colors. We have curling ribbon, balloon tying tool, glue dots, and balloon strip. We have some ribbon, foil balloons, and more foil balloons. Let's dig in.
Again, we're going for the first picture, which is like obviously very misleading.
Before we'll start to inflate these balloons, I quickly want to mention a few things about this kit. So this kit cost $29.99. 142 pieces. Will it be enough to recreate exactly what's in the picture? We'll find out very soon. This kit includes 10-inch balloons. Does it look like right here? I don't think so, but we'll find out, as I said. Anyways, Julia, come on here. Let's inflate all of these beautiful looking balloons. Let's go. Since this kit includes only 10-inch latex balloons, we have to inflate them into different sizes. They're like so translucent.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. To recreate this kit, you guys, we will be using individual balloons. We're not going to be tying them into clusters or quads like we usually do, like a professional setup. We will be using this balloon strip that is included in this kit. So lots of inflating, lots of tying balloons. Let's just get to it. Terrible. It's not my day today. Hear it? We lost our first balloon right here.
Wah, wah, wah.
Another one. You're so used to like working tougher with balloons, so whenever you're tough with them,
A delicate flower. Because with a quality balloon, you can just like
really stretch it, right?
Play with that, move them around. So far, whites are holding on. Only the red ones are defective.
Balloons are inflated. Thank you so much, Julia, for helping me inflate them individually, which took a little bit more time than we would do it differently. Anyways, what do I think so far about these balloons? Well, looking at my fingers, looking at our fingers, they are red. They stained our fingers. I'm wearing black, but now I'm wearing gray because they are heavily treated with powders. But I'm very surprised that I'm not really smelling this kit as much as I usually get that really nasty smell from them. Very surprising. A few holes, a few deflations on the ground. Now exciting part comes to see how these balloons will look like. We will be using a hand pump or this Legenda inflator. Why do I like to use a hand pump or foil inflator? Because these inflators are not as powerful as your usual electric inflator. Electric inflator is so powerful that it can break this seal over here that every single foil, orbs, any of the balloons have here, and they will start to deflate little by little. So it's just better to be slower with them, more gentle. What is this? For my second candy cane, I really want to try Legenda. This is my first time ever using this inflator, so let's try it out. I popped a seal. Oh, no, never mind. I'm inflating these candy balloons. Why blue? Like, why blue? Out of all the colors, why blue?
Maybe we can put like a glue dot over it or something.
No, don't.
Can we use the ribbon?
No.
Don't.
Time to use this balloon strip to construct our balloon garland. With balloon strip, you can obviously see that it has holes, one bigger hole, little opening, and smaller holes. So you're gonna be grabbing a balloon, putting the neck of balloon into a bigger hole. Make sure your knot is completely through. Pull a knot through the slot into a smaller hole, and that's how you will be constructing your balloon garlands. I am grabbing one more balloon. I will be going white and red, and just filling in spaces in this balloon strip. Once the balloons will start to pop out of this strip, you would have to skip a hole or two just to give them a little bit more room to breathe and lay nicely and not pop out of the strip. So this process will take some time, so give me a second, I'll be right back. Looking around, you guys, we have a lot of deflation going on, from latex balloons to all the foil. Look at this, 1, 2, there was another one, I believe, 3 right behind me. So we lost 3 foil balloons, which is a lot. I am done putting balloons in this strip. Now I need to attach this base to our frame, making sure that our balloon garland is touching the floor, using ribbon to tie our balloon garland to the pipe. At all the balloons that are still on the floor, even if you'll add those leftover latex balloons into your strip, it wouldn't be enough to cover the whole pipe and drape frame. On Amazon listing, they advertise that this kit should cover the whole doorway, and it's a pretty wide doorway, not even close. So we'll see what we can create still out of this. Hopefully it's gonna be cute. Time to use our glue dots. They were included in the kit, only 1 roll. I usually love to use more than 1 glue dot per balloon, because with these glue dots, they're not as strong as your glue dashes that I love to use in my setups. So we're using more than 1 glue dot per balloon because you want them to stay not just for 5 minutes on a balloon garland. You want them to stay at least for, I don't know, a couple of days, right? So how am I doing this? I am grabbing 1 balloon, going to the spot where I want to put that balloon, measure it, and see where balloon touches the other balloon, and then I put a glue dot there and glue everything together. Simple.
All of them?
Almost. We almost forgot that these square balloons we need to attach this ribbon on, literally tie them as a present. To make the ribbon more prettier, I want to cut the ribbon on an angle, just like that, like a real present. Having whatever is left on this roll of glue dots and putting lots of them on these present balloons, gluing them straight to our balloon garland. Almost done with the roll of glue dots that were included in the kit. Now I am using glue dashes, the best glue dashes, glue dots on the market.
And it didn't make it.
You can see that we just finished making this balloon garland. I will let you be the judge to what you see. If you want to know my final thoughts, $30 is way too much for this kit. I don't recommend this kit. It's a horrible quality kit. I don't say this lightly. You know me. If I like something, I will let you know. If I don't like something, I'll let you know too. Well, lots of balloons deflated, lots popped. Some of them are inflating in front of our eyes, like this one. I mean, it's not as full as it was advertised on the picture, not even close to what was in the picture. So it's your decision. And looking at all the reviews on Amazon, you guys, I am very surprised that a lot of people think that this is a good quality. I mean, it's totally up to you. If you like it, it's great. But for us as professional balloon artists, we see so much that we can change, we can make it better. So I'll let you be the judge.
Okay guys, now if you would like to see how the professional balloon artists create the same balloon display, make sure you go in the link in the description and watch us do it. Bye!